Let's shift our focus to the other story that we are tracking. This is about Ayodhya and the Ram Temple. The Ram Temple in Ayodhya is now fully constructed with all preparations complete for November 25th, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi will hoist a saffron flag atop the 191-foot Shikhar, a moment described by the Temple Trust as spiritually historic for crores of devotees worldwide. Ayodhya is witnessing unprecedented tourism, from 60 lakh visitors in 2020 to 23 crore pilgrims between January and June 2025. The numbers are expected to cross 50 crores by December. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat yesterday said the days of the invasion are gone. Now we're going to hoist the flag on the Ram Temple. It was India then, it is India now. With Prime Minister Narendra Modi, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat and prominent personalities from across India are expected to attend, the city has turned into a high security zone. For the general public, Darshan will remain closed on November 25th due to heavy VVIP movement.
हमारा देश संपूर्ण दुनिया का विश्वगुरु था, अनेक राजाओं के राज्यों से मंडित था, कवि चक्रवर्ती सम्राट भी होते थे। दुनिया का एक बहुत बड़ा संबल भारतवर्ष था, तब भी भारतवर्ष था, और 1000 साल तक आक्रामकों के पैरों तले रौंदा गया, पारतंत्र में जीना पड़ा, धर्मस्थलों की सब बातों की हानि हुई, जबरदस्ती मतांतरण होने लगा। ये सब था, तब भी भारत था। वो वैभव के दिन नहीं रहे, वो आक्रमण के दिन भी चले गए। अब राम मंदिर पर झंडा फहराने वाले हैं। तब भी भारत था, अब भी भारत है।
And Aman Sharma is joining us. He's tracking all that is happening in Ayodhya at the moment. Aman, just help us understand the feel of Ayodhya at the moment. I know it's a high security zone, but the euphoria?
Well, Arunima, I am at the main gate of the Ayodhya Ram Temple. Behind me you can see this is the main gate of the Ayodhya Ram Temple. If you walk about 200 meters from here, you reach the point from where you enter the Ram Temple premises. And surprise, surprise, the Ram Temple is open today. So, when we were coming, we were told that maybe the Ram Temple will be closed today due to security reasons ahead of the big event tomorrow. But today you can see the steady stream of people going inside the Ram Temple today itself. We have met a lot of people, a lot of pilgrims who have come here from far and wide. But today the Ram Temple is open and you can see this huge stream of people going inside. I would also like to show you the arrangements that are happening here at the main gate. And we are here with some people who are, you can see these stream of people going inside the Ram Temple. Let me take you inside where this whole flower arrangements are happening, which will be set up tonight once the Prime Minister is here tomorrow. And you can see Arunima here. This is the kind of preparations which are going on, and these karigars have been at work very hard for the last 2 days to prepare these big boards which will be shortly be hoisted here. And Ram Hamare Hain, and that is what the feeling in Ayodhya is. People coming here to Ayodhya far and wide. If I like to speak to some people who are going to the Ayodhya Ram Temple today. आज आप मंदिर में जा रहे हैं, मंदिर खुला हुआ है, पहली बार आए हैं कि कहाँ से आए हैं?
तो लखनऊ से आए हैं, यार बहुत आता रहता है।
हाँ चलाओ बता, भीड़ बढ़ गया है बहुत, इस बार देख रहे हैं मंदिर का। काफी लोग आ रहे हैं।
हाँ सर।
और कल प्रधानमंत्री भी आ रहे हैं।
वो तो उनका वेलकम है।
उनका वेलकम है।
यस सर।
And I remember Arunima coming here in January 2024 when the Pran Pratishthan ceremony had happened. I came a year after that as well on the 1 year of Pran Pratishthan. But this time, at least since I've landed here in the morning, I'm seeing the crowd has only increased. And the Ayodhya authorities, the Ram Temple authorities are telling me that nearly 25 crore people came to the Sri Ram Temple till July this year. They're expecting the number to grow to 50 crore in 2025. That's a huge, huge number. 50 crore people is more than almost double the population of Uttar Pradesh. That is the kind of rush and that is the kind of fervor with which people come here. And with the Ram Temple now, the entire complex, opening up, and the whole grandeur and the whole, I would say, the whole scale of the Ram Temple being available to the scene to be, that is, I think, is generating even more interest for people to come here from far and wide. There are some people here who have come. I would like to just speak to them. And people who are even old and infirm, love to come here. तो आप चलने में भी मुश्किल हो रहा है, पर इतनी दूर से राम मंदिर देखने आए हैं.
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, फर्स्ट क्लास.
अच्छा है.
जीवन का सार्थक हो गया.
पहली बार ही आए हम.
We are coming over here from lot of efforts and we are very present on that.
जी, where have you come from, sir?
From Pune.
From Pune. And how was you? Have you had darshan?
नहीं, अभी जा रहे हैं. अभी जा रहे हैं.
जी.
Not so far.
जी. क्या कह रहे थे आप? क्या कह रहे थे आप?
पहली बार आए हैं.
पहली बार आए हैं. तो इनसे तो चला भी नहीं जा रहा, आप संभाल के ला रहे हैं.
बस.
जी.
हम दोनों के माँ बाप है.
जी. माँ बाप का तो बड़ा सपना है राम मंदिर आने का. बच्चे लेकर आ रहे हैं दूर दूर से, हम देख रहे हैं.
बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है.
थैंक यू. लेकिन यहाँ आके बहुत सार्थक हो गया, क्योंकि यहाँ आना तो एक बहुत सबका एक बड़ा सपना रहता है. वो हमें लगता है हमारा सपना राम जी ने ही पूरा किया है.
Fulfilled our wills.
Fulfilled your wish. That is his family from Pune, all the way coming from Pune. And Arunima, extensively, I also fed him family at the airport. And young children are actually bringing their parents who really want to come to Ayodhya. I met this girl who has come from the US, bringing her parents all the way from Chennai. Here, this family coming, bringing all their parents all the way from Pune, even when the aged father is not able to walk. So I think that is really the fervor which I see in Ayodhya. That people come from far and wide, and people come in huge numbers. And these huge numbers, and the Prime Minister being here tomorrow, along with Mohan Bhagwat, the chief of the RSS, it will be, I think, a very, very big statement when the Prime Minister and Mohan Bhagwat will again share stage tomorrow here in Ayodhya after the Pran Pratishthan ceremony.
So, Aman, since you mentioned that you have been visiting Ayodhya, for the last 2.5 years now, in terms of the temple complex, in terms of the temple architecture, structure, what are the new additions? Pilgrims who are going now, what is it that they will see from the time when Prime Minister did the Pran Pratishtha?
Well, Arunima, see, when the Pran Pratishthan happened, only the ground floor of the temple was complete. There was a new Lord Ram Murti there, which is a very beautiful Murti which people came to see during the Pran Pratishthan ceremony, but only the ground floor was ready at that particular time. Since then, we have seen the first and the second floors also becoming ready, the Ram Darbar, on the first floor, plus the entire Parkota, where the many other temples have come up, across in the entire surrounding, a very beautiful surrounding inside. We are not being allowed inside today, of course, because of the Prime Minister's visit tomorrow. But whenever we get a chance to go in, and we've seen that in some visuals which have been shared by the Ram Temple Trust or the pilgrims who come from inside, tell us that the temple is now very, very big in expanse. The whole grandeur, the whole scale of the temple is now visible to the people, and that was always the idea. You remember Amit Shah, the Home Minister, once saying that the temple will be so grand, the shikhar will be so tall that it will be epitomizing people's faith in Lord Ram. And Arunima, I remember coming here in 2019 when Lord Ram used to be in a small tent, a dirty tent, a small tent. I remember going inside doing a first person along with pilgrims, and people could not even see, from far they had to see the Ram Lalla Murti. It was a very sad and very pathetic state of affairs. And from that days of 2019 to now 2025, when this huge Ram temple has become a reality, the faith of millions of Hindus across the country, across the world, getting, amplified when they come here to Ayodhya, a moment of pride. So that's what most people say. That's a moment of pride. Ma'am, where are you coming from?
गुड़गांव.
Gurgaon.
Yeah.
Is this the first time to Ram
I'm
temple?
Hindi, no English.
पहली बार आ रही
है? English.
Okay.
No, हाँ, first time.
फर्स्ट टाइम. तो गुड़गांव से इतनी
अच्छा.
दूर, कल मोदी जी भी आ रहे हैं, पूरा टेम्पल कंप्लीट हो गया, उसको देखने की जिज्ञासा है लोगों में.
हाँ, बहुत फिर भी बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट भी बहुत अच्छा है. मोदी जी आए फिर भी.
We are here and we are fully enjoying. We are at Varanasi for 5 days. There also superb arrangement by all means. Cleanliness is also more and more. We have fully enjoy our stay.
Please go and have a divine darshan.
मोदी
Thank
तो
you.
हमारे गुजरात के हैं,
तो आपके
हमारे एरिया के ही है, मणिनगर के.
जी, मणिनगर से ही हैं आप. अरे वाह.
हाँ, वो हम उसको बहुत लाइक करते हैं, बहुत.
जी.
और
चलिए,
वो अभी तक है तो भारत, ये इंडिया हमारा जिंदा है. बराबर, वो गए तो फिर हम भी गए.
Thank you. All the best.
Thank you. Have a good darshan. And that is a family from Maninagar in Gujarat, from the Prime Minister's district, saying that they are enjoying this. And Arunima, a lot of people actually come on this triangle now of religious tourism in UP. They go to Varanasi, they go to Prayagraj, and then also Ayodhya. So people come here for a couple of weeks. I met some people who come here for 2 weeks, and spend time in all these 3 locations. But I would say Ayodhya is now getting the maximum rush of pilgrims. The maximum numbers are in Ayodhya because of the kind of fervor people have. And this is something new also. The temple has only been open for about 2 years, but the scale has been increasing every time people come and see it. I think that is the reason why you see such huge numbers here.
Thank you, Aman. Thank you for helping us understand and getting us a feel from the ground, especially with pilgrims. But Aman, in fact, caught up with more of these visitors who are coming to Ayodhya. And it's not just about religious fervor. It is also about the way the economy of not just Ayodhya, but also of Uttar Pradesh is benefiting. Let's listen into some more voices that Aman Sharma got us from Ground Zero.
So people of all ages come to Ayodhya, and people come from far and wide. I have a family here with me from all the way from Chennai. First trip to Ayodhya?
Sir, first
trip.
Yeah, first trip.
So what brings you here? Do you want to see the temple? Have you heard about it?
It's a religious thing. We'll have to definitely visit our own Hindu culture. That's why we visit here.
Yes, it is a moment of pride. We are so happy. I'm visiting from US just to come and visit Ayodhya and bring my parents, my uncle and aunt. It's our privilege being Hindu to be part of this auspicious time.
So where in the US you stay, ma'am?
I'm coming from New Jersey.
Oh, so you're bringing your parents for the first time?
Yes.
So did they always want to come here? What was the...
Yes, they are Lord Rama Bhakta and they all wanted to come and visit. So they've given me privilege to come here and bring them here.
Even in a wheelchair you're here. That's your astha, that's your belief?
Yes, I have to come. I have to worship my God.
We are proud of our Prime Minister Modi. We come all the way from US. We are so proud of him.